First time here low pressures are creating, so that here high pressures are there, so that water has been transported by the osmosis. So once here this water has been transported, here it will create the low pressures, so that water will be transported from the xylem vessels in the stem by the same process of osmosis. By the time here high pressures, here low pressures. So now once it is a continuous process, like high pressure, low pressure, high pressure, low pressure. Now once these xylem vessels in the stem, they will lose the water, then who will supply the water? It will supplied by the
Root xylem. Root xylem.
So means in the sense of by the time here the high pressure and here the low pressure, so that water has been transported. Any doubt till here? Please ask me. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now, these root xylems are getting water. Suppose you see root xylem will supply the water to the xylem vessels in the stem. Understand? Then here there is no low pressures will create because of loss of water. Water has been transported to the xylem vessels in the stem. Then how this root xylem is getting the water? How this root xylem is getting the water? From the where? From the epidermis.
Epidermis. Root cortex, endodermis.
Root cortex is connected to the epidermis, endodermis is connected to the root cortex is connected to the what? Epidermis. Till here, till epidermis, what process is happening? Osmosis only.
Osmosis.
High pressure and low pressure, high pressure and low pressure, high pressure and low pressure continuously. So the water has been transported. Correct or not? Now, once this epidermis also lose the water, then again by the process of osmosis from the root hair to the epidermis, osmosis only, water has been transported. Now, if once the root will lose the water, then what will happen, Ra? From where? From the soil. From the soil, the water has been again absorbed by the time here, where is low pressure? Root and soil. Where is the low pressure? Can you able to say? Root and soil.
Low pressure.
Low pressure
water.
is inside the root. Correct or not? And the high pressure is from where? A film of water.
Leaf.
By the process of diffusion, the water has been transported from the film of water to the root hair. Do you understanding, all of you?
Yes, sir.
What the phenomena happening behind where the transportation of water and minerals, understand, in your plants. So how these xylem vessels are sucking water? Because of at the top of the leaves, means the leaves of the plants, they are creating what? Low pressure by the process
Low
of
pressure.
respiration. So that is why from the xylem vessels of the leaves to the other parts of the leaves, water has been transported because of low pressures at the leaves by the process of because of transpiration. Any doubt, anything, please ask me. Nitish Kumar, Prasini, Dilipan. Any doubt, Dina? Do you understand or not? Anusri? That's all. So this is what the transportation of minerals and as well as water. If it is minerals and water is over, next who is the?
Sir, how can we write it, sir? How water is sucked up by the xylem vessels. Same like what you have written.
If you want, you can write it. I will say you. Write it. If you want, you can write it. Right. Can I say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
The pressure at the top of the pressure, or else first you will write this one. Right. Water from the leaves of the plant, water from the leaves of the plant is continuously evaporated into the atmosphere by the process of transpiration. Transpiration will create low pressures at the leaves. Transpiration will create the low pressures at the leaves. bracket you can write. Xylem vessels in a plant is reduced, the pressure is reduced due to the transpiration. The pressure is reduced.
So what, sir?
Bracket you can write pressure at the top of xylem vessels. Pressure at the top of xylem vessels. Bracket you can write pressure at the top of xylem vessels is reduced. That is. So okay. Now write it. Since the cells of leaves are ma call to Pranita and Jessie amma. Pranita and Jessie and Dileepan is there. Okay, write it. Since the cells of the leaves are losing water by transpiration, since the cells of the leaves are losing water by transpiration, comma. So water from the xylem vessels in the leaf will travel to the cells by which process, Ra? By which process? By which
Osmosis.
cells by osmosis to make up this loss of water. The last point, if you write this point, this is also enough. Write that point. Thus the continuous evaporation of water by the which process, Ra? That continuous evaporation of water only called as what?
Transpiration.
Very good. If you are all understanding, you can respond. Water from the cells of a leaf, from the Anusri, are you understanding? Akshaya, cells of a leaf creates a kind of suction. What is the meaning of suction? Suppose you see, if you go to the hospital, they will keep the blood pressure. Have you noticed it? If they are pressing, have you noticed it? Our hand will become tightening. You will feel that effect. Correct or not? Which is to measure the blood pressure. Have you noticed it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remember, if you are getting sick, they will keep something at here and they are pressing blood pressure they used to measure. So here also the same thing. By sucking, they are creating here low pressure. Means in the sense of here it is creating the high pressures. So that is why it will become tight. You can see they to measure the blood pressure. The same way here, suction pressure we can call. Do you understand? That is, write it. It will create the suction which pulls up water, which will create the suction, creates a kind of suction which pulls water, which pull up water through the xylem vessel. Through the xylem vessels. Do you understanding, all of you? Any doubt? Anybody please ask. So who is helping the transport of water, upward movement of water?
Xylem vessels.
Movement of water. Who is helping?
Xylem vessels.
Xylem.
That is not. Xylem vessels is the wrong answer. Who is helping
Root
the
xylem.
transport of water? A process called as?
Osmosis.
Osmosis.
That is also wrong answer. Dina is asking what?
Transpiration.
Dina, transpiration is a process where it will takes place at any temperature. Do you understand, Dina? For example, you may see class 9th chemistry. Those who taught you chemistry, I don't know. So let us discuss the transpiration perfectly. Understand? So for example, if you take, as we know that what is the meaning of boiling, Ra? What is the meaning of boiling? Boiling.
Heating.
Boiling means converting the liquid into gaseous state by heating.
sir.
Correct or not?
Sir.
Yes or no? Means, but suppose for example, if we take water. Water, what is the boiling point of water? Water is 100 degrees Celsius. Yes or no?
100 degrees
Sir.
Celsius.
Boiling is a man-made process, means we have to provide, understanding, we have to provide external heat energy, so that boiling is a rapid process, and in this boiling, complete liquid can be converting into gaseous state. Do you understand, Ira? Complete liquid. Do you understand? But if you'll observe, evaporation, you may have studied in the first chapter of chemistry class 9. Evaporation, this is also converting of liquid state to gaseous state, but it is a natural process. It is continuously taking place. It is only rapid process, and it is natural and continuous process, and it will take place at all the temperatures. All the temperatures. That is why evaporation will leaves you cooling. Do you understanding, all of you? So the same evaporation which will take place in plants, we are calling a name called as what? Transpiration. Do you understand, Radhina? So transpiration is a process which will take place not only with the high temperatures, at every temperatures, the evaporation of water is continuously taking place from the surface of liquid in the normal, that is called as evaporation, but here through the leaves. Through the leaves of the plants, means the stomata, always water has been transported. It will be converting into the gas, that is called as transpiration. Is it any doubt, Dina? Clear? It will be takes place at every temperature. Transpiration and evaporation basically takes place at every temperature. That is why it is continuous process, and only at the upper part of the liquid alone it will be takes place. That is why evaporation leaves you cooling. You may have studied water in the pot will become cool if you are keeping like a soil, a clay pot, earthen pot. If you keep the water, it will become cooling. Is it clear, sir? Now, yes, Ra? Nobody will say.
Yes.
Earthen pot,
Yes, sir.
it will become cool because of process of evaporation only. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That is. So
sir.
evaporation leaves you cooling, like transpiration also, but boiling is different, only will take place at particular temperature. That is the difference. That is why transpiration will occur at everywhere. Now my question is, what I am asking, do you understanding? My question is, who is helping? Which process? In which way the water, the upward movement of water along with the dissolved minerals from the roots of the leaves through the stem is helping? Who is helping? What is the phenomena behind? Anybody? Who is the cause of transport of water? Are because of Vaira? Because of transpiration only. Correct or not? Who is the involving?
Okay.
If there is no transpiration, no transport of water. Correct or not? If I am not sucking
Yes,
from the
sir.
top, my cool drink will never come from the top of the straw. Always it will be at bottom only. It will never come out. That is why I can say the way of transporting water in the plants. Because of why? The process of transpiration only. In the upward movement of water. Please note it down. That is what most important. Don't say xylem vessels. Who is help? Help I am asking. Write it. What you will write? Transpiration, the process of transpiration helps in the process of transpiration. The process of transpiration helps in the upward movement of water, and as well as what? And dissolved
Minerals.
minerals continuously, dissolved minerals continuously from the roots to the leaves, roots to the leaves through the stem. Roots continuously, roots to the leaves through what? Through
Stem.
that is. So this is the important one. You have to note it. Note this is. Who is helping in the process of transporting minerals and water is transpiration. Do you understanding all of you? Any doubt, anybody, please let me know. Clear? Yes or no? Right. This is all about transport of water and minerals. Any doubt, anybody, please tell me?
No, sir.
No. So then we will go for, if minerals and the water is transported, then what is happening next? Next process is what? What is the next process? Reverse process. Water and the minerals has been transported, so that some reaction is called as photosynthesis will take place at the leaves. Means leaves makes the food by the process of photosynthesis. Correct or not? Now this photosynthesis
Yes,
is what? It has been transported throughout the plant. Correct or not? Upper part and lower part also. Do you remember some diagram I have shown
Yes,
you
sir.
where the plant only water has been only upward direction, but food will be in downward direction and as well as upward direction.
Upward direction.
Means through the plants, leaves, branches and all it will transport. Now, the next concept we are going to study is transport of food and other substances. Please note it down. What is other substances? Transport of food and other substances. What is other substances? I have taught you already.
Hormones.
Which has been created where? Transport of food. Where the hormones has been created? Please, hormones. Where they have been created? Where they will be generated? Tell me, at the leaves only, correct, man? That is why.
Sir, roots and shoot tips you said.
Roots and shoot tips only it has been created. That is what? Transport of food. That is only called as other substances. Other substances. So where it has been created? Roots and shoot tips. Shoot tips has been created. That is. So now let us discuss this. Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay. So remember. So as we know that, if we come to the food has been generated where? Please tell me. Where it has been produced?
Leaves, sir.
Leaves.
Leaves.
So, by the process of by the process of photosynthesis, the leaves makes the food. Now this food made by the leaves in the form of a simple substance called as, what is that?
Glucose.
Glucose. That is only we used to call as, what is the glucose name? Another
Starch.
Glucose is called as what? Which has been produced in the leaves is called as what? It is known as a simple sugar.
Simple
Simple
sugar.
As
Sir.
what? Glucose. Correct?
Glucose.
So this glucose has been stored in the form of ATP. That is called as what? Stored glucose is called as
Inosine
the form of ATP. It is complex sugar. What is that complex sugar called as? Remember, complex sugar in leaves. I need to know that name. I also forgot. Sucrose. Sucrose. Actually, it has been produced a simple sugar called as glucose. When it is stored in the form of ATPs, complex sugars will form. That is what we used to call as sucrose. Correct or not? Yes or no? Yes.
Sir.
So now, as we know that by the process of photosynthesis, plants will make the food and they will be transported throughout to the plants by the process of, again, a reverse process. Somebody need to carry this, the food which has been generated by the leaves. And as well, other substances called as plant hormones. What we should call? Plant hormones, which is made in the tips of roots and shoots. So now, every parts of this plant need food. Is it only half plant will sustain with the food, other half plant without food? Is it possible?
No, sir.
Is it possible? So maybe the
No,
food
sir.
has been prepared by the leaves, but that the leaves need to supply the food throughout to the plant, because every part, each and every part of the plant needs food. So the food made in the leaves of a plant has been, understanding, has to be transported or carried to all the parts of the plant like branches, stem, roots, etc., etc. Because roots are sending water so that to the leaves, so that leaves also need to send the food, like exchanging. They are exchanging the water and food, so that the food which has been produced by the leaves need to transport it to the other branches of the plant, as well as stem and as well as root, etc., etc. So the food which is manufactured by the leaves of a plant is transported all other parts through a kind of small tubes called as, what is the tubes called as, Ra?
Seed
Phloem.
tubes.
Called as?
Seed
Huh?
tube.
Phloem.
Called as?
Phloem.
Phloem.
You understanding, all of you? Xylem is
Yes, sir.
now the food has been transported by some kind of a tubes called as, what is the tubes known as?
Phloem.
Understanding, which are present in all the parts of the plant. So the transport of food from the leaves to the other parts of the plant has been carried by whom, Ra? Carried by
Phloem.
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 Do you understanding? So transporting of this food by the phloem, because all the parts of the plants, including stem, including root, understanding, including other branches of plants, everything, they all contains this phloem along with the xylems. Xylem is useful to transporting water and minerals, and oppositely we have a phloem, a phylum. So this phylum or phloem, whatever it is, it has been helpful to carry the what? Food which has been manufactured from the leaves. So this process is only, we have some name. Can anybody say that name, please? The name of the transporting of food from the leaves to the throughout the plant. Very, very important. Can you able to say that name, please? Do you know or don't know? At least tell me.
Say translation.
Not translocation. What is this word called as?
Translocation.
Translocation.
What is this word
Location.
called as?
Translocation.
Translocation.
Understanding, translocation, Trans LOCATION, Trans LOCATION, translocation. What is translocation? What is translocation? Dina? Pranav?
Transporting of food materials from the leaves to the other parts of the plant.
Other plants are the plants. With the help of whom? With the help of
Phloem.
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 What is important? Write it.
Phloem.
Write it. Write it. The transport of food from the leaves to the other parts of the plant. The transport of food from the leaves to the other parts of the plant. The transport of food from the leaves to the other parts of the plant. Other parts of the plants by whom, Ra? Plants by
With the help of
phloem is known as what we should call
Translocation.
Translocation.
all of you please note it up. This is transporting of food by whom? By phloem. Do you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, soluble.
Yes,
As
sir.
well as hormones also, other soluble substance, other products, other substances called as what? Hormones.
Hormone.
Hormones which has been generated by what? Tips of
tips
Roots
of
and
root.
shoots.
roots and shoots. That is also carried by whom? Carried by phloem only.
Phloem.
Phloem.
Carried by phloem. Please note it down. That is. Write it. Right. The food manufacturing by the leaves of the plant the food manufactured by the leaves of the plant, leaves of the plant, is transported to all other parts, the food manufacturing by the leaves, manufactured by the leaves, is transported all other parts of the plant, all the parts of the plants by tube-like structures, tubes called as what? Tubes called phloem. Do you understand, all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is
Yes,
what
sir.
we should call it as phloem. Now, let us discuss what is this phloem or phloem, which and what it contains inside. So, let us go with that. Please, all of you keep writing. Phloem contains sieve tubes. Phloem and sieve tubes you can keep, or else phloem contains sieve tubes. Phloem. Next is heading. Phloem contains sieve tubes. Now, let it be. I want to know the meaning of sieve tubes. Sieve. Forget about the sieve. What is the meaning of tubes? What is the meaning of sieve? Anybody? If you're able to say this meaning, I will leave today. What is the meaning of sieve? In our home also you used to heard this word. What is the meaning of sieve? Any idea? Or anybody you can speak. I want the meaning of it. Sieve. If you'll say that, then I will leave you. Tell me. Anybody? Karthik, Nitish Kumar, Prasini.
Receiving.
Sieving.
Sir, the separating a solid.
Sieving is a mechanical process, or even nowadays machines also there. It is not line then. Then without
Yes, sir.
of sieve, what you have to understand the sieve tubes? I don't know. What is the meaning of sieve? Anybody? I need to know the meaning. I will wait. Think it. You will
Sir, in kitchen and all they will use
In kitchen, they will use to separate the solid and liquid.
solid grains for separating grains they will use.
construction. During construction, they will use sieve.
Sir,
Mess. Very good, Dina. Dina has only guessed very nice. Like wire mess. Really. Have you noticed it? Sieving, we are separating the fine sand and stones and all from by using a
Yes, sir.
mess
Yes, sir.
containing porous medium. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Solids from
Yes, sir.
liquids. That is also sieve. Very good, Anusri. Or semi-permeable membrane, where the concentration will take place. Correct or not? Equal transplanted. Strainer. Very good, Kevin. So that is what we should call it as. What we should call?
Sieve tubes.
Sieve. Do you understanding, all of you?
Filters, sir. It filters.
Like a filter. Very good. So that is what exactly we can say. So phloem looks like a cylinder, understanding, like a tube. It is present like a tube. Understanding, it is made up of a cells which is joined end to end and they will form a very, very long tubes. Understand? And the walls, the end walls of the cells which form the phloem are not completely broken down, and each end of them walls, the phloem, they form a sieve plates. What we should call? A sieve plates. In the sense of, they are having at the top, they are having a porous medium, like a mess. It has been separated. It has been not broken completely. What is the meaning of not broken completely? Can you able to say the meaning? What is the meaning of not broken completely? I will show you. So now, can you able to explain what is the meaning of not broken completely? I am saying you correct. You please tell me. So now, observe very carefully. Don't see this side. Don't see this side. This picture is not. This is what called as phloem tube. What we should call? I only say that today. What is this called as phloem tube? What is this? This is not the phloem tube. All of you should remember. That is another thing. That is called as companion cell, which will support the phloem. Do you understanding, Ra? All of you?
Sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
you can observe. This is called as phloem tube. What we should call? This is called as phloem tube. From here to here. Do you understanding, everybody?
Sir.
This This is called as phloem tube. So this phloem tube is also made up of like xylem. Small tubes are connected. Small tubes are connected to form a large tube. So this is what we should call as phloem. Understanding? So like bottom also it will be keep on going. Do you understanding everybody? Padmavarshini, Nitinath?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now you can see each cell, if you'll observe the xylem, what is happening, Ra? Each cell is joining like this. Is it yes or no? Each cell is joining like this, and
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
now kind of complete broken. Correct or not? Only cells are joining here. Nothing is present at the middle. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
here,
sir.
here, these phloem tubes are not broken completely. Not broken. Understanding? Completely. Why? Because you can see not broken. Not broken completely. Because you can see here, middle something like a small holes are present. It is forming like a sieve-like structure. That is only ways to called as what, Ra? End-to-end wall. It is forming a sieve-like structure. That is only ways to called as what? Sieve plate. What is this called as?
Sieve plate.
Means each end of the phloem wall, it is having this understanding formed, sieve plate formed, understanding from end wall. At each end wall of the phloem, we have this kind of sieve plate. So through this only the food will be transported. Do you understanding, all of you? That through this only the food will be transported in the plants. Do you understanding or not? Please tell me. This is what the meaning of not broken completely. Do you understand, Ra? All of you? And bottom also you check it. Is it broken completely? This is one phloem. Is it broken completely? Not. Correct or not? So middle
No,
it is
sir.
some kind of a tubes called as, some kind of a plate. What is this plate called as? Sieve plate.
Sieve plate.
Sieve plate. Sir, why I am calling this as a sieve plate means, have you noticed it? In olden days, our home, we are used to separate the rice, means stones and
Rice and dates.
Yes, we are still also somebody you people will use. We are having some kind of a circular one where it is having a middle holes. Have you noticed it?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tamil movies you may watch. Most probably Tamil movies still some old ladies who is having a very old. They used to use this one to separate stones and all. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Your home still some homes use it. My home they will use. My mother will use still. It is to separate this kind of thing. Or else dal stones from dal. Or else very good quality seeds from the low quality seeds. We will use this sieve. That is why this is looks like this one. That is why this is called as sieve plate. What we should call?
Sieve plate.
Do you understanding, Allah? So, like xylem vessels, phloem is also made up of cells which is joined end to end from long, understanding, end to end to form long tubes. But the end walls of the cells which form phloem are not completely broken down, because the end walls of the cells in the phloem, they form what? They form what they are forming? Sieve plates. Sieve plates have small holes in them. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
They have a small holes in them. So recently what is happening? Food is transported. Food is transported through this. These holes in sieve plates are allows the food to pass along the phloem tubes. Do you understanding, all of you? So this cell
Yes, sir.
is only called as what we should call sieve tubes or sieve elements. What we should call this one? This fully one, what we should call? Sieve tubes. Sieve tubes or sieve plates, sieve elements we can call. This fully is called as phloem tube, and this is called as sieve plates or sieve components or sieve tubes. So this is what the difference between xylem and phloem. What is the xylem and phloem? Like xylem, phloem is also what? By joining by the cells of one end to another end. Correct or not? Yes or no? But xylem vessels, it has been completely broken down in the middle. Nothing is there. But in phloem, what is there? A porous medium is there. It is forming a small holes, porous medium. That is what we should call it as what? A sieve plate. Through this only the food is transported. You can see
Transported.
the small particles. What is this called as? These black dots. That is called as, understanding. What is that called as? Food. Understand? So through this only only the food has been transported. This is what we should call as phloem. Please write it definition. We'll end this. Phloem is also like xylem, like xylem vessels, like xylem vessels, like xylem vessels. Phloem. Do you understanding everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Phloem is made up of many cells. Phloem is made up of many cells. Is made up of many cells joined end to end. Joined many cells. Joined end to end. End to end to form what? To form long tubes. Long tubes. Full stop. To form long tubes. Long tubes. But the end walls of the cells, but the end walls of the cells are, which will form what? Which will form phloem. Understanding? Phloem are not broken completely, not broken down completely. Broken down completely. It is forming what? Broken down completely. The end walls of seals, which are not broken completely, which have small holes in them, which have small holes in them. Small holes in them. So these small holes only called as what? What is it?
Sieve plate.
Small holes in them. So these holes in the sieve, these holes only called as what? Sieve tubes. Or sorry, sieve plates we used to call it as.
Plates also.
Sieve plates. The holes in this phloem is only known as sieve plates. Sieve plates. Sieve plates. This is only known as sieve plates. You can write is known as in them is known as sieve plates. Sieve plates. Full stop. Through these sieve plates only. Through these sieve plates, the food is transported through water, through phloem,
Sieve tubes.
phloem
Phloem.
tube, or else sieve tubes. That is, please note it down. This is all about this. So this is all about the today's class. So with this I will stop. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
I hope you understand. Any doubt from here, we'll
Yes,
continue.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.